Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today we are going to be doing a speed cleaning video, and as you can see, Robert will be featuring alongside myself. So this is just a couple of days after Christmas and we're just cleaning up a little bit of the mess we have created the last couple of days.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me.
So to clean the counters, we're going to be using the Astonish brand. So we're using the antibacterial and the grease buster.
Hold on to me. Until your faith is shaken, there's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind.
I don't know why I thought buying these like building blocks was a great idea, because all Ava seems to like to do is just tip them up and pour them out, and myself and Robert just spend the whole day just cleaning them up just for her to tip it back up again. So they weren't a great idea when you want to keep the place clean.
Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
So I'm just going to use this Rug Doctor carpet detergent and clean a couple of spots on the carpet. Ava was ill over the Christmas and she may have puked a little bit on the floor, so we're trying to get the basically the smell out of the carpet, and so I decided to use this Rug Doctor carpet cleaner and scrub the areas with the solution and see if that would work to get out the smell. And it didn't, so we're not quite sure what we're going to be using, but we'll just keep trying to get that lovely pukey smell out.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings. But I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
And to finish off today's cleaning, we're going to be mopping the floor, and I'm using my Sephora. You know I love to use the Sephora on the floors because it just smells really nice. And that is basically today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. I put out videos 3 days a week, and in January I am doing 2 cleaning or declutter type videos per week. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.